Let's solve for the unknown, that is x, in this equation in mode 5. Solution. We will write that 2x plus 1 is equivalent to 0 mode 5. So here, this is just like solving a normal simple equation, that is 2x plus 1 equals 0. So first, we collect like terms and bring this 1 to this side. That is, we have 2x equals what we have here originally, 0. Now this plus is coming to this side. It changes the sign to negative. So we have minus the modular arithmetic sign for subtraction, then 1. So we have 2x equals 0 minus 1, that gives us a negative 1. But recall, we are working with mode 5. So yeah, we have to convert this minus 1 to a number we can have in mode 5 first before we divide. 2x equals, now to convert minus 1 to a number we can have in mode 5, we find the multiple of 5 after 1, and that is 5. So we have minus 5. And what can we add to minus 5 to give me back my minus 1? Plus 4. Because minus 5 plus 4 will give us minus 1. And here, 2x will be equivalent to the remainder, 4, in mode 5. Now here, we can divide both sides by the coefficient of the unknown too. So we say divide by 2, divided by 2. 2 goes there, 1, 2 goes there, 1. We are left with x equals 2 goes there, 1, 2 goes there, 2. 2 in mode 5. Which is the value for the unknown in this equation in mode 5. Thank you.